Okay, Wednesday, May 22nd. Dad's back inside. Light rain outside. So anyways, Dad's back inside. He's doing some cutting here. They're going to get
It was raining this morning.
going to get the guards back into place here. And then, but he's got the drive shaft mounted, which is a good thing. And he's still waiting on the axles for the differential. They're coming in from the mechanic shop, or machinist shop, I mean. Machinist is still building the internal fuel tank back there. And then Dad's got a dash shifter he's got to install here. And as I indicated, he's got to put the floor back in there for the blower motor heater. And that's what he's working on today. 2 dogs in the shop. Very, very nervous that Dad's going to leave. So what's the next step after? What's the future for this week?
Well, the next thing is get the rad in here.
Right.
And all the heater hoses,
Yeah.
And the bottom heater hose here goes to the rad.
Yeah. Okay. So there's quite a bit of work done here today, and but he was trying to get another customer out the door. Got part of their equipment out the door, but he's been juggling between the rain and what he can do. But now that it's raining outside, he's back in the shop doing this. Anyways, Dad's got another guy here in the shop giving him a hand. Cat's supervising like normal. That's it for today, guys. Oh, yeah, well, you poked the bear. Now you better get underneath the chair. Jeez, that even woke up Charlie. Hey, kitty? Yeah. My tough shop cat.